Hi guys, good day. So this is Godfred, CEO of Mission Beat, and so this is an important announcement that I want to make. I'm currently organizing a class on beading. I mean how to make bead bags and all. And with the class, it involves seven unique designs, seven unique and basic designs that when you are able to grab those ones, you will surely be able to make any beaded bag, yeah, that there is. And one thing about this is, I think I posted it some time ago, and some people that reached out were like, "Oh, only seven designs," and I mean they thought we could learn more. You see, in beading or beaded bags, you don't need to know how to make every other design that there is. No, you only need those ones that some few ones. I mean, those basic ones, or the ones that we know that really sells on the market. Because trust me, you can go learn a lot of designs in beading, but you will end up not using them because when you get to the market, there are some bags that sells on the market. Trust me, you don't need to make every other bag that is available or something. No, it is good that you know how to make almost every beaded bags. That is a plus. If you know all those things, fine. But to really make bags and sell, you don't need to make every other design that there is. No, you just need to learn the basic ones. Especially, I have a client that I was teaching, and he was like he wanted me to teach him how to make a backpack. I think I posted a backpack in my videos. You can check that out. But the thing is, I can teach him how to make that backpack though. But the thing is, you don't really need to be making this backpack to get more customers, because with that backpack, for instance, like there are not ready customers available. For me, I did it personally for myself, and I posted it. When people reached out and they were like they love it, or like maybe they need some, that is when I make it for them. But it's not something that I've made that maybe I have it in bulk, or maybe I have like 10 pieces available that maybe I'm selling also. No. So you see, you don't really need every other design that you see. Some people, whenever you post any design, they want to know how to make those ones. Yes, it's fine that you learn how to make some beaded bags, but trust me, you don't need all of them to, I mean, be able to sell. You just need the basic ones. And these basic ones are the ones that I have selected in my beading course. Yes, so it is made up of seven different beaded bag designs, very unique beaded bag designs. I think this bag is parts. I haven't completed it though. The bag made with berry beads. It is parts. I think I have some other ones that I haven't completed, but maybe I'll show those ones to you in the other videos. So seven unique designs, and the videos are 10. Everything that you need to know about building or this very particular course is inside that video. Yeah, so when you take the course, you are guaranteed and assured that you really know how to make those designs, and also you can try them and get the beats, try them out, and you can start making sales from there. And the amount is just 500 Ghana cedis, just 500 Ghana cedis, and it's going to be a video-based class on Telegram. So if you are interested, I'll put my number up here. You can WhatsApp me on those numbers. Then maybe you make the payment on on the number that I will give you. Yeah. So after making the payment, then I can add you to the Telegram group. The course is already taking place, but whenever you are ready, you just make payment, then you go. Trust me, I will really teach you how to make those bags, and you will become perfect in that as well. So if you're interested, kindly reach out to me, and let's take it from there. All right.